Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I hope you all are doing amazing. Now in this video I'm going to be creating this makeup look which is apt for Diwali, and we are going to do this look with products that are under rupees 300 on MRP. Okay, this is a very simple yet a very elegant look. You need not do a ton of coverage and hide behind makeup. It is more of something which will enhance your natural beauty and will make you feel like more confident and sassy but yourself. Okay, so let's get started. First I'm going to apply Insight makeup fixer spray. This is going to act like a barrier between my skincare and my makeup. Okay, I love this spray. It makes your makeup last longer. It also retains the original base finish that you go for. Okay, next I'm going to use Insight primer. This is a silicone based primer, perfect for combination normal and oily skin. If you have dry skin, go for the other variant. Okay, they also come in small sizes which retails for rupees 100 or so, and I'm going to apply it on the areas where I have pores and fine lines. This primer kind of blurs my skin and mattifies my skin, so that is why I really love to use this. Next, I'm going to be using this concealer from NY Bates, their Conceal and Conquer concealer in the shade 08 Hot Chocolate. Okay, this is a concealer with orangish undertone to it. It is half a shade darker than my actual skin tone, so it is going to color correct my dark circle. At the same time, it will conceal. Speaking about the concealer, it is a medium coverage, like some higher than medium coverage, lower than high coverage, somewhere in between. The coverage is like that, and the concealer blends really well. It lasts longer, but you should not bake with when you're applying this concealer, because it is a little bit on the thicker side. When you bake on top of it, it is going to get heavy, so avoid baking on top of this concealer. I'm just going to blend this out. Because of the coverage that it gives, my skin almost look like, even though my dark circles are very intense, it looks like pretty even toned. Okay, and I'm adding a little bit more to build some coverage. Next, to set this concealer and to powder all over my face, I'm using Dazzler's loose powder in shade Coffee. This is my ride or die. The powder is finely milled and it comes in 12 different shade, and it retails for around rupees 150. You cannot ask anything more. So this is also something which will set your makeup really well and make it last longer. But having said that, you cannot rely on this powder alone for making your makeup last longer. You need to have your entire base techniques on place, but this kind of helps, contributes. Okay, and next I'm going to use Blue Heaven Shimmer Matte Blush in shade 506. Now this is not a shimmer blush, it's a matte blush. This shade is a nice pinkish plum shade which looks really beautiful on dusky to deep skin. If you are fair to medium, go for a pinkish powder. Okay, a lighter powder. Another option is Mars Flush of Love. They also have a few shades that looks bomb on deep skin. Next, I'm going to highlight my face. For that, I'm using this Insight Cream Highlighter in shade 02 Moonstone Bliss. It's a champagne highlighter, goes very well on deep skin. Okay, I'm applying it on the areas where I want my glow. Okay, and ideally I would apply this after my setting mist. I forget on that day, so make sure to do a setting mist before applying this highlighter. You can see how subtle of a glow it gives. I really love this highlighter. I'm not a beaming highlighter person. I love this kind of highlighter which gives a subtle glow. And next I'm going to fill in my eyebrows using Miss Claire's eyebrow pencil. Now it's not a waterproof or a smudge proof pencil, but it is a waxy pencil which is long lasting. Okay, the formulation is waxy, as I already mentioned, which makes it ideal for eyebrows. Now you don't want something creamy for your eyebrows because it is going to look extremely pigmented and dark and snatched. That will not look natural. So always go in for pencils that are extremely waxy, so that the kind of pigmentation that will be thrown on your eyebrow will be ideal. Okay, and then I'm going to use this Swiss Beauty Ultimate Eyeshadow Palette in shade 04. You can use this dark brown shade to contour if at all you want, but I'm not going to do. I'm using this warm brown shade, not a warm brown, like a neutral brown shade to do my transition. I'm just applying it on the crease area and little bit on the outer corner, and that is it. Next, this particular gold, if you are wearing a warm outfit, like warm tone color outfit, you can go for that. But I'm wearing a blue, so that gold will not go well. So I'm using this champagne highlighter to do my eyelid. I'm applying it on my eyelid. This particular highlighter, as I already mentioned, it is very subtle, so it gives a very nice glowy sheen look, not a shimmer metallic sort of a look, a sheen glowy eyelid. Okay, so that's something I really love. I'm going to be applying the two shades that I've shown underneath my eyes to give that nice contoured big eye effect. Okay, then I'm using inside super kajal to tightline my lower waterline. I'm just using the kajal on the outer, like I'm just taking it till my eyeball area, not inside it. Okay, even on my top lid, I'm just going to apply it a bit and smudge it out. I'm not going to take it right into my inner corner. I'm just keeping it on the outer half. Okay, just till the area where my eyeball will be if I look straight. Next, I'm going to coat my lashes using Mars Fabulash mascara. Now this is the best affordable mascara in my opinion. It does transfer a bit. It takes a little bit of time to dry, but it is still, I personally feel, is the best. Sometimes it can give you clumpy lashes. You can use the spoolie to separate your lashes. Okay, next for lipstick, I'm using Renee Stay With Me matte in shade Play of Clay. This is their mini version, so the mini one has got a cool undertone. The same shade in the full size have a warmish undertone. Okay, so this again is a cool tone, perfectly goes well with my eyeshadow, blush and outfit. So I'm using this. I am applying a lip balm on top of it because I'm someone who doesn't like glossy or heavily shiny finish on my lips. I like a balmy finish. Okay, if you can understand. Then I'm going to set my entire face with again with the same setting mist. I think this is the third time we are doing mist. Okay, then again I'm going to apply a little bit of powder. This kind of ensures that your makeup stays longer. And I'm going to apply bindi, and then I do have a small mole below my lips, so I'm just going to enhance it a bit further using an eyeliner. Okay, and that is it. This is the final look. I really hope you all enjoyed watching this video and found something informative and helpful. I will leave all the links down in the description, so they are actually affiliate links, so if you wish to support me, you can do. Okay, and yeah, bye. Advance happy Diwali. I'll meet you all in my next video. Bye.